In today's tech video, I will show you how to fix your Hitachi Smart TV if you're getting a no signal error on your screen or if you have a blank screen. I'll show you a few different ways to fix this problem. And if you stay with me all the way to the end of the video and you try each of these methods, there's a high probability that this will solve your problem. So the first method is an easy fix, and in most cases, it will probably fix it and you won't need to go on to any others. It's basically unplugging your TV from the wall outlet. Now wait 60 seconds. Don't be impatient here. Wait the whole 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. This is a lot different than switching the power on and off with your remote, so make sure that you do it from the wall plug. If this solves your problem, great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Next, look on the back or the side of your TV. Find out where the device that you're trying to get to work is plugged into. Right above where it is plugged in, there's a description that says which port this is, whether it's an HDMI 1, 2, or 3. Then locate the source button on your remote. Then choose the HDMI input that your device was connected into. Hopefully this fixed your problem, and if it did, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.